I'd like to show you a unique gift wrapping idea. The main paper size is that covers the box plus approximately 2 inches, and the top and bottom are cut slightly longer than the height. The length of the secondary paper is the same as the main paper, and the width is about 1 inch wider than the box. Place the box face up. Position the right edge of the paper at the point 1/4 of the box's width. Wrap it tightly with the right side on top. Then crease all 4 corners firmly. Mark the top of the paper, 1/2 inches from the edge at the bottom, and the top is marked approximately 2/5 of width of the box. Fold along both marks. Fold it back along the line to the other side. Crease it firmly. Cut off the excess paper like this. For the secondary paper, crease the right edge slightly. Put the box back to the center of the paper along the creases. Close it, then insert the secondary paper as the crease edge is on the left side. Position the secondary paper slightly diagonally. The bottom is about the same width like this, and the top covers the side over. Position the top as shown, then fold the corner firmly. Wrap firmly the 2 pieces of paper together. Secure the position firmly with one hand, then open the top section. Attach a few pieces of double-sided tape. Crease at the corner. If it's too long, you can also cut the excess part. Close it and stick the 2 pieces of paper together. Fold this corner firmly. Then attach double-sided tape to the back. Stick and close them securely. Make sharp corners. Turn it face down. Make sure it's centered. First, close the bottom. Fold each corners all the way in. Fold down on the top tab. Crease the top and bottom corners firmly. Cut off the excess paper along the line. Fold up the bottom tab and crease the bottom and top corners. Fold the bottom tab along the crease. Apply double-sided tape. Stick it firmly. Make sharp corners. Face it down again and close the top in the same way as the bottom. Fold the 2 pieces of paper together all the way in. Make all corners sharp and neat. There you go, it's completed. This is the side, and this is the top, and this is the bottom. This is the back and front. Enjoy the paper combination you chose yourself.